Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is Brave Little Rabbit. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. On a green meadow, there lived a group of adorable little rabbits. They had soft white fur and lively eyes, and among them was a small rabbit named Peter. Despite being the youngest, Peter had the bravest and most curious heart. The story began on a sunny morning, with flowers swaying in the breeze and the sweet songs of birds filling the air. Peter and his siblings frolicked and played in the grass, but Peter's curiosity was drawn to the mysterious forest at the meadow's edge. One day, unable to resist any longer, Peter decided to venture into the unknown forest. Despite the warnings from his siblings about the dangers lurking within, Peter's curiosity outweighed his fear. Peter reached the edge of the forest, where tall trees reached into the sky, and birds sang joyfully on their branches. Peter felt an unprecedented excitement as he took a deep breath of the forest air. However, in the midst of Peter's exploration, a cunning fox suddenly appeared before him. The fox's eyes gleamed with deceit as it stared at Peter, letting out a menacing growl. While the other rabbit siblings cowered in a safe place, Peter stood tall, ready to face this unexpected crisis. "Little rabbit, are you lost?" the fox asked in a deceitful tone. "I can take you back." Unfooled by the fox's disguise, Peter fearlessly replied, "No, I'm not lost. I'm here to explore, and you can't stop me." The fox, hearing Peter's response, revealed a sly smile. It attempted to swiftly pounce on Peter, but Peter agilely dodged its attacks. Displaying remarkable wit and agility, Peter maneuvered through the trees, evading the fox's fierce onslaught. Witnessing this, the other rabbits in the meadow felt a mix of worry and admiration. They hoped Peter could return to safety as soon as possible, away from the danger posed by the cunning fox. Undeterred, Peter knew he had to find a way to outsmart the fox. In a moment when the fox lunged with all its might, Peter cleverly hid inside a tree hollow. The fox, bewildered by Peter's quick thinking, stood there momentarily unsure of what to do. Seizing the opportunity, Peter swiftly emerged from the hollow and sped through the forest's edge, back to the meadow. The other rabbits greeted Peter with joy upon seeing his safe return. Peter's bravery and cleverness made him a hero among the rabbits. From that day on, Peter became more cautious, but his curiosity and courage remained unaltered. He shared his adventure stories with his siblings, teaching them to bravely face the unknown while staying vigilant during their own adventures. This tale spread across the meadow, becoming a legend full of adventure and courage. The little rabbits looked up to Peter as their role model, continuing to leave their own brave footprints on the green meadow.